Guys, in this video we will see how to enable 80% battery charging notification sound on your iPhone. When you're charging your iPhone and if your battery is 80% charged and if you want to receive a notification sound, then here are the process. Open App Store on your iPhone, and here from the bottom right corner tap on search and look for the app shortcut. Download and install shortcut app on your iPhone. In my iPhone already shortcut app installed, so open icon appear. After downloading and installing successfully shortcut apps on your iPhone, open it. Open shortcuts app, tap on it. Here from the top right corner, scroll down and bottom center you will find the option automation. Tap on automation. Thereafter from the top right corner, tap on plus sign to create a automation. Here you will find a list of personal automation. Scroll down and go to the battery section. Scroll down and under battery section you will find three options: low power mode, battery level and charger. Tap on battery level. Tap on it. Here you will find a slider equals 50%, raise above 50%, falls below 50%. Drag the slider from left to right to increase this charging limit. Now it is 80%. Three option you will find: equals 80%, rises above 80%, falls below 80%. To set, tap on rises above 80%. Make the check against this option, and also you will find two options: run after confirmation and run immediately. So tap on run immediately. Notify when run, turn the toggle button on. Thereafter from the top right corner, tap on next. Runs immediately, notify when run, and tap on next from the top right corner. Now your automation when battery level rises above 80% created. Now get started. Just below you will find the option speak text. So tap on speak text, tap on it and type a text. When battery level rises above 80%, type the text. We will choose unplug charger. You will find a notification sound, duly voiced unplugged charger. This is the notification sound, and finally choose done from the top right corner. You can also play a sound unplug charger. Check below and finally choose done from the top right corner, and your automation will successfully initiated when battery level rises above 80%. As soon as your battery level rises above 80%, a notification sound you will receive, duly quoted unplug charger. So you can easily set this through automation shortcut, and you will receive a notification unplug charger after rises above 80% of your battery level. That's all.